Aji samla pola khoboti Wokha District Football Association WDFA khan Nairo Range Sports Association NRSA aro Inland Range Sports Association ERSA khan ki violence hatsa ulaja karni immediate effective 1 year suspended kuri dishe koigena report pailu ase. Sources to itu suspension order ani thakya tuli 13th edition of Lotha Football Championship LFC 2024 Wokha District Football Association Canberra District Local Ground ti since 16 of January bra held kugena ja thakya humuiti ja kali second match Inland Range Sports Association aro Nairo Range Sports Association khan match khel thakya tamti supporters ekjon ground te ahi ja karni tate bra hamla ulai jashe kugena WDFA khan report dia ase. Social media platform ti violence hamla laga video alag alag logina circulate ku thakshol lipi police personnel intervene ku logina situation control kuri disha aro hatsa opoti 13th edition football championship 2024 by law point 12 clauses 1 hesabti duita team aro WDFA committee khan bohina organizing committee regulation under Excel suspended kuri dishe koigena WDFA khan jonai dishe. Next kobote highest peak of Mount Saramati 3826 meter Kifri district Thanamir Bosti under 26 of January Republic Din kunpa trekkers khan laga careless aro negligence ti cholai dishe koigena official report pailu ase. Itu jui hatsa ulaja karni Thanamir Village Council GBs aro Village Guard khan spot verification kurwale ja tamti Indo Myanmar border area tuita side ti carpet nishna vegetarian lusk thagya khan sob cholai digena mihen kudi sheko ase. Itu karni team khan tu Mount Saramati saigena afsos hui jashe itu karni property of Nagaland trekkers aro visitors kun holepi Saramati sabole ahatam ti jui logena mishamshi na kurbole warning dia ase aro instead responsible trekking practices kurbole Thanamir Village Council khan video clip logena statement kuri thakya pailu ase. Report hisabti Nitish Kumar political issue karni Lalu Prasad Yadav Rashtriya Janata Dal khan logena alliance te chief minister kuri aha resignation logina Bihar governor opor submitted kuri disha aro BJP alliance ti 9 times dui salti duibar chief minister karni ot rakhilo bole thakya report pailu ase. Sources hesabti chief minister Nitish Kumar ajipjor resignation logina governor agete ahatu governor la response te notun government formation nakra thakti caretaker kuri thakibole appeal kuri disho lepi dinti in support of BJP party khan Nitish Kumar resignation logina governor opor handover kurdisha aro governor accept kurgina 9 times chief minister kurbole thakya report pailu ase. Nitish Kumar last statement ti tai RJD alliance ti government from kurgina ahisho lepi situation olop bal na thakya issue ti party support logina change kulose ko ase aro tai laga resignation karni India block itusal BJP hatai dibo koi thakya setback dangor ani dishe koigena report dia ase. Viewers khan sobra hosher kurgena ahaja kurule thakya tuli ja kalipi Chumokidima district under Phirma Osoti tata gari ekta accident hatsa lukpa jagena maki ekjon milagena hatsa te dujon muri jasha aro alag dujon on board ti ikiloko aha biabra jokhum pai jashe koigena khobor pailu ase. Report pa sabti accident hatsa tu National Highway 29 Phirma te thaksha aro 80 feet nishna giri jagina spot te tata driver aro maki ekjon milagena muri jasha aro helper alak maki ekjon inika jokhum paina treatment ja ase aro journey toili Dimapur ai thakya tamte accident hatsa luk pai jashe ko ase. Ami laga apni laga dintu kita ase kunba api kobole na parbo hulipi kita abatu nijor laga careless tepi accident hatsa luk pai thake itu karni rasta complain kuri thakia oporti bal banai di sheulepi ekta hesab berai gena time te maki bacha family look kurbole parle ituhi dangor khushi thakibo kogina viewers khan ke koi dia ase